Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to send a link in Monopoly Go. To start the process, open your Monopoly Go game in your mobile device. Then tap on Friends on your bottom right corner. From here, you can invite your contacts and Facebook friends as well. Then tap on the plus icon right next to Facebook icon. From here, you can invite your Facebook friends. Then tap on Invite as you can see on your screen. Now swipe left and select the application to invite your friends. Then tap on Invite. Now copy the link from here. This is how you can send a link in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.